Okay. What a way to greet the day. It's your dimness. It's the only way you can see me right now, but let's move on. The guys insisted on getting up, especially Mata here. Mata. My window blew out. Had a dog on one of my kids. That asshole, excuse me, sorry. He keeps driving down the road out there with his dog barking out the window for some kind of recreational thing for his dog. So one of the dogs went through the window. So now I got storm damage. Let's have a look outside. Woohoo, boy. Because the wind shifted. Wow. Oh man, blew the bus door open. That's not good. It's dust in my cloth. Look at that out there. Man, it's ripping. It'll blow like this for hours. Look how wild it is. Alright, I gotta shut this door. I got the thing. I gotta fix this. Dogs, outside. I don't care what it's like. Outside. Come on. Mata, out. Damn it. No, outside. Outside. It's just windy. Look at that. Just broke the heck out of my window. Shit. Alright. Back in a minute. Show you what I did. Get the duct tape out and fix the window or I'll freeze to death in here. There goes all my extra heat. You know, there goes my ration. So I'm using the oven again. Because it kicks pretty good. I'm going to have to take sterner measures. Turn on a burner or two. It's just bad. So I'll turn on the front and back burner. Because I got to get on this. Look at that. Well, shit. Alright. Peace out. I'll be back.